Welcome back, our dear advisors, beginning of school year 2022-2023. Objectives: reorient advisors on their duties and responsibilities. 2. Reminds advisor to check the authenticity of the documents of their pupils, birth certificate, school form 9 or form 138 or yung report card, and SF10 or form 137. And accomplish school form 1 or the school register and school form 2 the attendance. For public schools, the concerned personnel shall follow these steps. The school principal and ICT or LIS coordinator shall issue the user accounts to all homeroom advisors and shall give them appropriate access rights to their specific homeroom sections. Using as basis the school form 1 or the school register, the homeroom advisors shall enroll all their learners into their sections. And number 3, for kindergarten, they are automatically issued new LRNs by the system. The class advisor shall be responsible for collecting and updating of information on learners in the formal school, ensuring that data capture is supported by appropriate legal documents. Kaya reminders, dapat may hawak kayong Form 137 or SF10, Form 138 or SF9, at ang birth certificate nila. At kung temporarily enrolled naman, dapat may affidavit of undertakings. Birth certificate with PSA validation is required. Kung wala naman, pwede ang birth certificate or the late registration from the local civil registrar. Pwede rin ang barangay certificate na dapat nakalagay ang name of child, date of birth, gender, and name of parents. Learners who completed kindergarten can enroll in grade 1, provided that they turned 5 years old within school year 2022-2023. Ang cut-off age, October 31. For temporarily enrolled learners, the receiving school shall issue a temporary progress report card. This form is inadmissible for transfer enrollment purposes and is only issued for progress monitoring. Upon complete submission of the documentary requirements, the learner shall be tagged as officially enrolled in the LIS. Otherwise, the learner retains the status of temporarily enrolled. The learner cannot be officially promoted to higher grade level, and the learner cannot officially graduate from the school. The learner will not be recognized should he attain the qualifying average and other criteria for academic honors, and the receiving school shall not release official documents such as the SF9, SF10, Certificate of Completion, Diploma, and others. Click Temporarily Enrolled in the LIS if the learner is temporarily enrolled. Then, secure a copy of Affidavit of Undertakings for approval. Ito ay applicable lalo na sa mga galing sa private school. Kung galing naman public school, hindi na siguro sila temporarily enrolled. Pwede mo namang kunin ang kanilang SF10 or Form 137 sa previous school kung galing public school. Dahil tayo ay school to school. Bilang advisor, ikaw na ang magpa-follow up ng kanilang SF10 sa previous school. Ito ang halimbawa ng Temporary Progress Report Card for Elementary. Ito ay ibinibigay sa mga temporarily enrolled. Requirements needed in enrolling learners in the LIS. Any of the following, alin man dito sa mga sumusunod, pwede mong gamitin para ma-enroll sila sa system. Una, ang report card or yung SF9. Kung may hawak ka niyan, pwede mo na silang i-enroll. Form 137 or school form 10 or the SF10. Affidavit of Undertakings, ito ay para lamang sa mga temporarily enrolled, lalo na kung galing private school. Huwag i-enroll sa system ang mga galing private school na temporary enrolled kung walang hawak na affidavit of undertakings dahil ito ay ipapasa sa Division Office for approval. For kindergarten, birth certificate lamang ang kailangan nilang documents. Reminders, official date of enrollment, August 22, 2022. Make it sure you have a copy of your School Form 2 or SF2 for actual attendance. Huwag po tayong maglagay sa system ng kung ano-anong date of attendance. Kung ano talagang actual attendance ng bata, yun po ang ilagay natin. Halimbawa, nagpakita ang bata sa atin, pumasok siya, August 23. August 23 po ang ating ilagay. Kung August 24, yun po ang ating ilagay. Actual attendance po tayo. Learners subject for approval with gap enrollment, ito yung mga balik-aral. Ibig sabihin, huminto sila ng 1 o 2 taon o higit pa. Ineligible, ito naman yung mga NLPA last school year o yung mga dropout. And temporarily enrolled, please secure affidavit of undertakings. Please tag your learners if corpus or yung CCT recipient sa system. Sa pag-enroll ng learners sa LIS, mangyari lamang na hawak ninyo ang documents ng bata tulad ng Form 137 or 138 at birth certificate. Bawal mag-create new record lalo na kung grades 1 to 12. Kung walang record si bata sa LIS, sabihin sa LIS coordinator para hindi magkaproblema sa huli. Ang mga for LIS checking na galing public at walang dokumentong ipinasa, ibigay ang information sa LIS coordinator. Ang mga batang kinder, maingat silang i-encode sa LIS. Siguruhin ang tamang spelling ng pangalan at tama ang birthday. Ang mga subject for approval, lalo na ang mga temporarily enrolled, balik-aral at dropout, siguruhin may documents bago i-enroll sa LIS dahil ito ay ipapasa para ma-approve. Maging maingat sa pag-encode o pag-enroll sa LIS. Huwag magmadali. Maraming salamat! Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe kay Teacher Melai.